Hello, long-awaited Wuben X4 review. Let's see what we got here. Uh, 1500 lumens max output, 205 meters of beam distance. We'll check that on the outside shots. FL1 standard, 5 lumen to 1500, 3 hours turbo, and 720 hours on the moonlight mode. That's quite crazy. Here are some of the stats you can see. Aside from the main light, we have white light, RGB light, beacons, red and blue flash, red and green flash, in case red and blue is prohibited in your region, and red and yellow flash. And those flash modes run for 185 hours. Some of the stats here are a bit crazy. The max candela output is 10,506 candelas. IP68 waterproof and dustproof, so very interesting. Okay, the usual stuff. You get your instruction manual underneath. You also get a nice lanyard. Wuben does have nice lanyards, and a charging cable, of course the USB-C. Let's get the light out. Move away the box. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see better. So the cool stuff about it is they've done quite a bit of improvements from the production from the prototype model. I apologize. But this also improves on their previous models, their predecessors. The main light output is very much like the X2 Pro model that they have, but then the side light is different. They've added a very nice tactile, you hear that? The tactile trigger button. They also have a deep carry pocket, unlike the X2 Pro, which has a slightly different clip. This is a deep carry pocket clip. And they also have a nice tactile, this button. I pay attention to these details because they are important. This is done well. In order to start operating, we need to unlock, push up and then push down, bam. Insulation, we take that off, and inside we have an 18650 at 3350 milliamp hours. Usually you get somewhere between 3000, well actually 2800 and 3200. So this is slightly larger than that. And the rated energy is 12.22 watt hours at 4.2 volts. So nice battery. Oh, also there are dual, let's see if you're able to see that. So there is a spring inside as well as on the butt cap, which is nice. Okay, now you're able to see that. Spring inside, so dual springs. There we go, we lock. Now the lower mode is lockout mode. Then we go into the side light. So the way we turn that on is just simple click, and then this rotation, as you can see. And then if we double click, it does not take you to turbo on the side light. And the only way you operate the side light is by rotating this wheel. In order to switch to the RGB mode, once one of them is on, whether RGB or the main side, the side light, you just press and hold and it'll go back. If you press and hold, it'll just switch back and forth. So on the RGB, you're able to change the color, but not the intensity of the RGB. And there are additional modes like double click. It'll do this, then double click again. as you can see, you got the red and blue. Double click again, green and red, and then double click again, it should be yellow. There we go, yellow and red. Double click again, and it just cycles through 1, 2, 3. There we go. And on the main light, if we go up to the main light, you turn that on. Again, a very responsive wheel on here. So you increase and then it blinks. Okay, it blinked now. That means it is on the maximum mode. It is quite intense. I mean, it's only 1500 lumens, but even from here, I am feeling a warmth on my hand. And if I bring it in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's burning. One thing that I am missing on here is a proximity sensor. It'd be nice to have it, but you do have a mechanical lockout mode. All the way up gives us it exposes the USB-C charging port, as well as this is the moonlight mode. So if you turn it on, that is the moonlight mode. 700 and something hours, it said, right? 720 hours. You can do this for 720 hours. That is a bit intense. And the trigger button will also give you the same. It'll give you the moonlight mode. But if you're on the main, this gives you instant turbo. So you can hold down and hold, or you can, yeah, it's intense. Or if you double click strobe warning, there is your strobe. Okay, as I said, this is very, very tactile. Let's quickly check this on my new, this is from Zerko knives, very, very cool. This is called the Cash Blade, and I will be reviewing this soon, so make sure that you crawl out from that rock that you're under and subscribe to the channel. This is a full flat grind, and it's a good knife to test flashlights on. So horizontal mode holds quite well, vertical even stronger. So we do have a nice magnet on the back. What else? What else? And yeah, double click to go to turbo. So you don't have to rotate if you want immediate turbo, or you can just press and hold the trigger button to get your turbo mode. Now there will be giveaway conditions at the end of the video. Thanks to Wuben, they are sponsoring a giveaway. So stay tuned till the end, and you will hear what the giveaway conditions are, and also you can check that in the description below. There will be affiliate links as well for purchasing. Let's test it outside. So this is the Wuben X4, and as you can see, it does simultaneous floodlight as well as spotlight. Holdy, holdy. And double press for turbo, that is turbo. Okay, that's quite nice. It is supposed to be lighting about 205 meters, and it is doing that. I mean, I can't say exactly, but that house over there is about 150 meters, and it is lighting way beyond that, so it is probably doing about 200 meters. But the cool thing about this light is that, as you can see, it gives a wide floodlight as well. And again, this is on turbo mode. And with the rotating switch here, very quick to do max and minimum. Let's do the moonlight, and that is the moonlight, the lowest setting. And let's now compare this to the X2 Pro. Okay, main light output, double click for turbo, and as expected, very similar performance from these two. So that is the X4, Wuben X4, and that is the X2 Pro. Side by side, very similar. Actually, I think I'm noticing a more defined spotlight on the X4 compared to the, let me rotate. Yeah, I do have the turbo on, so yeah, that's the max. I think there is, or no, very similar, because the reflectors are also very similar, the distance also similar. The X4 does have a larger battery, where the X2 Pro, this has two 1400 batteries. So there we go, very comparable and similar in the light output on the main light. And now let us switch to side lights. So that is the RGB mode. As you can see, it is still lighting up the surrounding, and if I rotate the button, I'll get different colors, as you can see. Red light, green light, etc. All pink light, all the RGB modes. And then if I double click, we have the emergency. Double click again, it'll go into red and blue. And now if I turn it on and hold down the side light, let's see how much illumination the side light gives. If this was on my pocket and I just want to walk around on the campsite, this is how much light, that's the max. So plenty to move around the campsite. I personally would be doing somewhere in the middle, like in between, just to save on battery, but plenty illumination on the side light. And this is very practical as a work light as well as a camping light, etc. So there we go. And double clicking here just doesn't do anything. It'd be nice to an immediate turbo, but you do that by rotating the button if you want the maximum output on the side white light. Turn it off, switch it to the main light, and again, it does have memory mode, so if you have it on max, it'll turn back on max. There we go. Quite happy with the fact that it is performing as well as their X2 Pro model on the main light output and for this size factor. Now let me quickly show you the tail switch. So that's the immediate turbo. Very nice if you quickly want to light up something without having to mess with the main button. Over here you can just use the trigger button and double clicking, strobe warning, and that's the strobe. You can use that for self-defense or deterring stray dogs, etc. Okay, let's finish off on the desk and conclude. Thank you for sticking with me this long. As you saw on the outside shots, the Wuben X4 is a great flashlight. It is multifunctional. It has quite a bit of welcome improvements. Notably, this trigger switch I liked very much. Who is this light for? For campers, for people that use flashlights for work. There is that fun RGB additional function as well. Also, the fact that it comes with a replaceable battery, rechargeable and replaceable battery. So very useful, compact, multifunctional flashlight. I do recommend it. As I said also, I will repeat myself, but they have worked on improving and perfecting the light, the buttons, how they operate, the clip. So that I appreciate from Wuben a lot. Also, thanks to Wuben, I am able to offer a giveaway, and most of my collaborating brands are all agreeing for this giveaway, where I'm trying to give back to the community, to my subscribers, to the audience that is watching my content. So that's me saying thank you. You don't have to pay anything. The conditions are very simple. You have to be a subscriber. Please make your subscription public. There is an option on YouTube of doing that, so I can verify for the purposes of fairness to all. So be a subscriber and comment something related to the flashlight, preferably what you like about it or what you would like added or improved on the next runs of the flashlights from Wuben. There will be affiliate links for European Amazon, US Amazon, as well as their official website. So please use those links to support the channel. Make sure that you subscribe and comment to receive a free gift from Wuben directly. Thank you and have a good one.